Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. So cute! Hey guys, welcome to Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Whoa, oh my gosh, look at them. Look at the Shopkins, they're having a party already. Whose is this party, Shopkins? Oh, it's mine, it's mine. Oh, it's yours, Flower? Yep, it's mine. What is it about? Is it a birthday party or you're celebrating? What are you celebrating? It's Valentine's. Oh, you're celebrating a Valentine's? Oh, cool. I know. And you know who's coming? Who? I already see a lot of people. Who else? You're inviting other people? Hasn't come yet? Yeah, I'm definitely doing that. Guess what? What? Guess! Guess which one's coming? I don't know. Just tell me. Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch is coming with Lucy and the guest. What? Oh my gosh! Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch is coming with her pet Lucy? Yeah, she's coming to have a party and Valentine's with us, and she's got the greatest idea, and she's bringing a guest. Yay! It's from season 1, all the way from season 1. It's so exciting. Oh, she's coming. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so excited when she comes because she's my best Shopkin ever. I know, because you are Shai Shai. She's Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Ding dong. Oh, that must be them. You are gonna be so excited. Yes, I'm definitely gonna be so excited. Okay, let me get it. Whoa! Oh, sorry. Sorry, Miss Sprinkles. It's okay. It's okay. Yay! Ding dong. I'm here. Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Oh my gosh. Hi, Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Hi, it's Shai Shai. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Lucy. Who's this? Oh, Mooshy Moosh. Oh my gosh, Mooshy Moosh. Oh my gosh, look at you. I haven't seen you in years. Yeah, and I love Shai Shai. I can't wait that you're gonna make more videos, and they're gonna be fantastic. Oh, I miss you too. Can I have a hug? Sure. Aww. I missed you a lot. And you too, Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Hi. Hi, Shai Shai. Oh my gosh. Hey, can Lucy come in? Yeah, of course. Come on, Lucy. Oh, it's already itchy. Well, I'm so excited. Come in. Get off of me! Help! Get that horse off of me! Oh, Lucy, stop! Be careful. Oh, I'm so sorry, ma'am. Are you okay? Not okay with your horse. You're not supposed to let a horse in the Valentine party. Well, the owner said so you just need to live with it, girl. Oh, I doubt that. Whatever. But don't do that. That's rude, getting food from other people. If they are food or Shopkins. No, don't eat me. Go over there. Hey, what about your idea, Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch? Oh yeah, I'm gonna say it right now. Okay, well go. Hi, chair. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hey guys! Everybody pay attention right here. Yes. Lucy, pay attention. Everybody, today I had a surprise for you. Today, I am going to tell you two that I have a surprise for you. And the surprise is... Give me a drum roll, please, everybody. We are going to make a ginormous cake! Shai Shai's gonna help. and she's gonna make it for us. It's gonna make ginormous. It's gonna have 20 layers of cake. And that's gonna be a challenge. Right, Shai Shai? 20 layers? Seriously? 20 layers, Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch. Seriously? In one video? Yeah, of course. I don't know if I can do that. Well, you can try, and we're gonna be distracted talking. Okay, well, you can get down there. What would I do with? Oh, it's just going to be out of this dough that you can eat over there. Oh, okay. Is it dough that you can eat? Yup. Only us can eat it, not you humans. Okay. Okay, everybody talk! Oh, and we're gonna be playing something. So, we're going to be playing hot potato. Okay. Okay, guys, so since they are doing their party, they're getting distracted. Here is the dough that Shai Shai Watermelon Crunch said that we are going to be using. So I think the shop can need to scoot over so we can have some room. Guys, can you scoot over? Thank you. You can still play hot potato. Yeah! Everybody play hot potato! Where everybody's gonna play hot potato. Okay, everybody's gonna play hot potato. Okay. Now I'm gonna be making the 20-layered cake. Oh my gosh. So I guess we'll start with all the colors. So we only have pink, blue, yellow, purple. My favorite color. These two are my favorite colors. Okay, so let's start with the pink. Ooh, this pink is soft. Okay, we need to do a 20-layered cake. So like holding the big cake needs to be a big layer. Needs to be a big layer. So let's roll this into a ball. It's gonna be a Valentine's party. Okay. Let's roll it. Put it like this. There we go. There we go. Okay, now let's start with the other layer. Shai! Oh, okay, good. You did not do 20. Everybody doesn't want 20 because some people don't even like cake. So I think you should do 10 layers, okay? But I still want to do a challenge for you. Oh, okay. Thank you, everybody that does not like cake. You are rude. What? I don't want to do that big challenge that you told me. Good thing I get to do 10. Okay. Hot potato! Okay, so let's do 10 layers. Okay, this is number 1. And there's number 2. And then we'll decorate it at the end. Number 2. And number 3. Just need 7 more or 8 more. Okay. Get it smaller each time. Okay. Okay, 3. Ow. 4. 4. Whoa, this is already getting big. 5. 5 more to go. 5. 5. Oopsies. It's okay. Just make the cake. Oopsie. That's big. Whoa. Okay. Now, let's do the blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. Whoa, this is a big cake. 8. Whoa. 9. 9. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And be a jumbo one. And 10. Oh my gosh, look at that cake. It's so big. Oh my gosh, this cake is like the biggest cake for the Shopkins. Look, let me just get a Shopkin. Hey, Mushy Moosh, come here. Look at that. Oh my god, how are they gonna be eating it? We could probably cut it like that. But, oh my gosh, that is a big cake. Well, I hope they're gonna like it. I think I'm too full. We ate pizza and a lot of pizza. Shai Shai said too. What? Shai Shai told you to? Shai Shai Watermelon Crush told you to eat a lot of pizza? Seriously, I needed to do this cake for nothing. Yes. Ugh, we're all bad. Oh my gosh, guys. Well, bye guys. I hope you have a good day and I hope you have a fantastic Valentine's Day. And this is our 10-layered Valentine's cake. And I hope you love it. They are probably not going to love it. But probably tomorrow, they're going to love it. So, bye guys. Bye, Watermelon fans.